This news comes a little sudden and has certainly raised some eyebrows in the crypto community. Just a few hours ago, MatrixPort published a report regarding the potential denial of Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC. This report seemed to have a dramatic impact on the market as the price of Bitcoin crashed down to $40,000. It wasn't just Bitcoin feeling the heat, other altcoins also took a hit, steeping below over 70% and causing over $540 million in liquidated positions. The timing and the immediate effect of this news on the market have sparked a wave of speculation and concern among investors and traders. Interestingly, with MatrixPort releasing a report a few hours ago, suggesting that the SEC might deny Bitcoin ETFs, the market didn't react instantly to this news. It wasn't until a few hours later that we saw the impact. Bitcoin's price suddenly crashed down to $40,000. What adds to the suspiciousness of the situation is the timing of another significant event in the crypto world. Around the same time as this market downturn, Michael Saylor, the executive chairman of MicroStrategy, announced his plan to sell $216 million worth of his own MicroStrategy stock. His claim is that the proceeds from this sale will be used to purchase more Bitcoin for his personal account. However, the coincidence of these two events happening almost simultaneously has raised some questions. If you want to include Cathie Wood selling Coinbase share at the same time, everyone is dumping the market, but let us first get into the report published by MatrixPort. Fishy, very fishy. MatrixPort, in its report, presented a viewpoint on why the SEC might deny the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs. Their analysis focused on the current composition of the SEC and the stance of its chair, Gary Gensler. The SEC, dominated by Democratic commissioners, is perceived by MatrixPort as being cautious or even skeptical about embracing cryptocurrencies in the U.S. financial landscape. Gensler, in particular, has been vocal about the need for more stringent compliance and regulatory frameworks in the crypto industry. MatrixPort interprets these factors as indicators that the SEC is unlikely to approve Bitcoin spot ETFs, viewing such approval as a move that would legitimize Bitcoin as an alternative store of value, something they believe the current SEC leadership might be reluctant to do. Moving on to the broader context of this news, it's important to note that MatrixPort's report is essentially an analysis or prediction, not an official statement from the SEC. It represents the viewpoint of analysts interpreting the regulatory environment and the sentiments of key figures within the SEC. As with any analyst report, it's based on the interpretation of available information and trends, not on confirmed decisions or statements from the SEC itself. In short, SEC didn't say they denied the ETFs, though it's interesting how the price could crash if the denial of ETF really happens. This distinction is crucial because while the report might influence market sentiment and investor behavior, it doesn't constitute a definitive indication of the SEC's future actions. The crypto market, known for its sensitivity to news and speculation, can react strongly to such reports. However, these reactions are based on perceptions and expectations, not on concrete regulatory decisions. Move On with Eric Balchunas comes out and basically throws a bit of a curveball in response to the MatrixPort report. He's like, hold up, we haven't heard anything that points to a no-go for the Bitcoin spot ETFs. His take is pretty much the opposite of what MatrixPort's been saying. Balchunas is out there telling folks, we have heard nothing to indicate anything but approval for these ETFs. MatrixPort, a Singapore crypto analyst services firm, previously predicted a significant rise in Bitcoin's value, anticipating it would reach $50,000 by the end of the week. This prediction came as Bitcoin was approaching the $46,000 mark, maintaining a strong upward momentum. The firm, founded by Bitmain co-founder Wu Jihan, attributed this potential rally to several factors. Firstly, MatrixPort noted the consolidation in Bitcoin's price towards the end of the previous year, laying the groundwork for a robust start to 2024. They believed that the post-December consolidation set the stage for a breakout driven by strong buying flows at the beginning of the year. Then they FUD the market with an old news on the denial of the approval from SEC. Market is full of noise. I hope you didn't got wrecked. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on another video.